Ready? All right, this is a repair attempt for 182 Addison Drive, 35040 down here in Calera, Alabama. Claim number 07078610001. We're going to be attempting to remove this shingle right here. So let's see. I'm just going to be lifting these just high enough to remove the fasteners. So you'll see here I'm using a flat bar. I know that Allstate and State Farm like for us to use a roof snake, but there is a flaw in the design of the roof snake. So when you're reinstalling the fasteners, the back of the roof snake goes down against the shingle and causes an undue hail-like strike. It's one of the reasons we don't use them. That's the first reason. Second reason being that I've been to 8 different hardware stores in the greater Birmingham area. I cannot find a roof snake anywhere. So this is an industry standard flat bar, so that's what we're going to be using today. So I'm just going to be lifting these just high enough to see where the fasteners are. Let's see here. Yeah. So I've got one here. So I'd like to note, first of all, that popped directly through as soon as I tried to take it out. So with that being said, it's going to create a bigger hole, which is going to be a water penetration point. So I just want that to be noted in the video. Same kind of situation here. Yeah, we're pulling through here too, not totally, but it's still making a larger hole. Come right here. Pull through right there. Pretty significant mat transfer here. Break this loose. That shingle is sure holding on there. So I got this one out here. I'll notate we do have some mat transfer here, and here. So I'll drop that down for now. And if you will, slide me out of the shingle. If you will, sir. Now, as I'm putting these back in, you will see me raise the flaps on these shingles. With that, I'm only raising them just enough to get a clear strike in with a hammer here. We don't want to cause any unnecessary damage. That's the danger of putting these back on. One more. So as you can see here where we raise these, you've got some pretty significant creasing here, 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 across this whole top of the shingle. So we'll have to call that a repair, a fail and a repair attempt. We would like to ask, that we have this roof fully replaced due to the lack of repairability. Thank you very much.